Munchumuligeri bono nigo nainde togende tugusangaso bwamo Ndizi TV obwansubo mugusiye kero togende tukumulekera mange ajibono abereka okolekana yogende tokolekana imaitase mambia yalenge ntambe gochakire 12 cya mambia go ikesa to chiabono mambia igo kwalenga na Brighton Makoli na wego na Sara Nyarange ontita asumuru buli bwensakya imaite bono it was a free Friday abwase maitu munchumuligeri bono mwaba muwe somya na okwanira mange na boigoma mwokwegokya ekero mwaligeri mange ane asiri tukirigalia Friday lyalengeli tukolyo kwebwa tokabona sentunde ndo mwacho muligeria tigana ende nkwaliganya somuru bali lisoleito litukirigalia Jumaster kemerongebere na isano nejemo omotinyo yego gatana gatatu mwaka bwekiri bubere na merongebere nebere gose 22 Mwanchumuligiri bona kerozo nyako sangamo na yega inyirabuna na mange agende to kolekana na mange bereka okolekana korochiri tukuligoro bono aba governor merongene na batano babete bagotiani West County au bakalichira chigo chigo service elikonyara kuruwa bokorre gochia ase chiserikali chichi county chiabo county ya Nyamira gati ya county tira angena soto na bege county ya Kisin ngati ya chiria to gochikuligireria ugo mwanchumuligiri bona sumuro liwe lisoleito ingo kwaligania to sangamo naye ritirani nchinkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha ekerobono togo chikuligireria anaki ababunge babetokote nyinsemu inyiremije county ya Kisii ntwaro cyo wana ababunge ba UDA boyigo bayikeneta sogo cyane go kwa yo mu governor we county ya Kisii yo koriye keroke go teraseke makia ODM ntwaro cyo bono Said Chanda oyubono uru mubunga onyariba ali chachen abetaka ku muboli mu governor we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati mbachiko kolemeremo asobwama no nyegekelengano obuna nigo bale emirengo anyara Chanda ni galense meli ya Kenya kwanza na boyigo mu governor niga bagakwire kuroke gotera sensemeli ya Azimio wego ntwaro cyo mubungo South Mugrango Silvanus Yosore nkwana yabetaka gukwana ayonsto chigo kumanyevu na bolete Simbarati buno mwaka 2027 na asobo cholyo bonebole busyo ni gobono Osora tebeti arati buna onta cyo kirania mange ere nero chiko mu governor 2027 na yumo ncho muligereria Anto chuko kumanya century ya bene wego ntwaro cyo soroka wakira William Samuel Rute koko ase getikirikia Gusi Stadium ase bono abeteka gote buna nachi komoro kya chimbaratero na kumubwatania arati na William Ruto kubwataka na Ruto na uchiko muri wenso mwancho muligeria anto chuko kwa na mankomo saneta bwe county ya Kisii moimonyonga nere na abeteka okwane nkwana yaye aitogo chukuligeria ase obwagale wego mubunge okiaru ndindi Nyoro Tukorora na kwa nete nkwano mwancho muligereria nincho komanyi nkwana kiena boigo mokonya William Samuel Ruto Rigathi Gachagua nera na kwa nete nkwana ya mwancho muligereria tukoregoro ayonsi gotobegeta sobwaga William Ruto igoro na ikiraneta sogotiani gwa kwaye ku mu governor we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja wetera sekema krikia UDM oyo boigo kabeiro mo senator ngabwe county area ya Nairobi ayo mwancho muligereria mona yanda mange nigo to kwaliganeti asomoro liserito ekroto chukonya ligereria asobwagale na so umubunge obumachoge burabu litukulegero ni gaga okerete okubwato kwa ebintu korwa se mu governor ogosoka korwa bisi county ya Kisii James Yongwae gochi asumuva omo governor go service Paul Simbarati mubungo yoni gate betebuno gokiwe nenchere transition yakole twenchera ogo nchuruli ya kwabetoko kolekana nga senchere yobororo na senchere ngiya enchera yomuleme ngo toyiwe enkwana ya yomubungo machoge chache nabo igobono omubungo kitu chache South Kibagendi atoni Kibagendi anera na kwa nete nkwana ya mwancho muligereria anene asumo yego betoko kolekana litukuligoro asegeti kilikia Gusi Stadium ekirabono Paul Simbarati aliko irabena na gotianigwa eligo service no mu governor kabere ase county ya Kisii nyorobono ni gaso ire maiga ya James Maribongwaye oyo kabere mu governor we county ya Kisii gokora chintunde chia yebere gose miaka 10 asobora ibwaye imeye county ya Kisii boigo ekeroto kwa twategarete nkwana ya Paul Simbarati anate bete maisa morebuna andake chibe sachi abiri cyo gutumeka bobe ase county ya Kisii egendate bete buna abantu bali babere bagotwara emenganyi yo gutumia chibe sanje asenjere tabwenderete arati ase nkona yabo goli tukuligoro nate bete buna nachi goticheme gujonsi eyo yabere ke gutumeka senjere entrengiya anaso gutumeka achibe cyo serikali bobe imeye county ya Kisii aya kwaneta buli tukuligoro ekirobono arenge bone masaye mo gali ase getikali kia Gusii Stadium kulenda sawono tia tura igwanga babunge mabunge o machoge chuburabu na bego no bunge okutucha South ingi bakwanete gatia bunge vaikira neta somojiga weli tukolegora segeti kia Gusii Stadium.
I would like you to allow me together to congratulate the incoming governor, His Excellency Paul Simba Arati, without forgetting the heritage that we are seeing here of a peaceful handover of power from the outgoing governor, James Ongwae, and the team. I am the member of parliament representing the great people of Bomachoge Borabu, and mine is just to wish the incoming governor good health. And I want to assure you, Governor, that we will support you and we wish you good health. Imoke county yeye onyesu kibosio nyasago sese ngimbia monosa.
Honorable Kibageni, Member of Parliament, Kitutu Church South.
Thank you so much, our incoming governor, Simba Paul Arati, our outgoing governor, James Ongwae, and your spouses, all the distinguished guests. I'm indeed elated to be here to witness the swearing in of our governor, Simba Arati. While he was being sworn in, tears rolled down my cheek because I saw a son of a poor man rise up to rule and lead the people of Kisii County. This is excellent. We would also like to appreciate our outgoing governor, particularly for this magnificent piece of art, Gusii Stadium, and the work you've done for the people of Kisii County. So we invite the incoming governor to pick up from where you left, for him to be able to take Kisii County to the next level. Governor Simba Arati, I have assured you, mimi ni kijana wako wa mkono na tutafanya kazi pamoja ya kupeleka Kisii County mbele. Thank you so much and work for the people of Kisii County. Simba neta haya. Sorry, please, the gentleman who sang that song, do something for him. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mwanchumuligire bono habungati yaba bunge osaba jumbe baikirenta somo yogoyo okorekana segeti kia Gusii Stadium haseri tukuri goroboigo ntwaro chobono oyo mogati yabali bali kuligiye kero kyobo governor meye county ya Kisii Professor Sam Ongeri nerene kirenta somo yogoyo litukuri goro ekarabono gotiani gokwaye omo governor bwe ko kabere meye county ya Kisii ali gotiani Ongeri kokwana boigo kurensemeyo ni gobono abete ga komobolia omo governor omo cholo Paul Simba Arati kwani kibuna asekendo gyonsi ya okoranko korare asenchira yo wegenwa ngabega sanataka komotebi abo muntu wa masabo elikonyara konyera county ya Kisii asenchira ere endongo mochumuligire bono tigango turanyora enkwana ya Professor Sam Ongeri oyibono okonyoro omo senator we county ya Kisii oyole koligiye kerokyo obo governor hasekolende abahaga kubu nernekereneta somo jogoyo tigango tuwe enkwana ya Professor Sam Ongeri.
Paul Simba Arati, the First Lady, Mama Simba Arati, the outgoing governor, Your Excellency Governor Elvis Ongwae, the first outgoing First Lady, the Deputy Governor, Your Excellency Robert Monda, and the Mama Robert Monda, members of parliament, the senators, and the women representative, Madam Justice Teresia Mumbua Mateka, who conducted these services, Bishop Mayura, the other clergies. Ladies and gentlemen, my duty is very simple. You have now got the mantle to run this county as the substantive governor of Kisii County. I want to wish you and my wife and my family God's blessings, because I know when you put God first, you are going to succeed. It's quite a very popular society, requires a lot of input, don't hesitate whatsoever at any time to consult us when you need us. We will gladly help you to be able to move this county to another level. Kasana boyko babusiaba. Umano utoko machinguru. Yes, let's give him power and the support. The politics is now over. Na mimi kama mzee wa Babusi, I want to say, wacha sasa siasa tuweke kando. Wacha sasa tuingie katika mambo ya maendeleo. Na tuheshimiane na tulete maendeleo ili watoto wetu wapate nafasi ya kuendelea mbele. Kuna programs and projects governor, the outgoing governor has mentioned, particularly the sugar factory in Nyangwete. I took extra trouble to be able to get land alienated by the Senate so we can be able to have it built as a sugar factory in south of Mogrango. I want you to take a very active part in ensuring that sugar factory is up and running. You have so much on your plate, and I know you have the agility, you have the power, you have the support from the people that you can move this country forward.
Munchumulikire bono koigure okobolia nenkwane ya Professor Samuel Ngeri gatabire bono siasa ya ere na kumubolia omugavana omochole me county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati kone kibuna nkobe karama nganare ngite siasa nse muna gocha kuruwa bokorere wego niga atebire nako okoboko okogani kwaye omugavana Orwetabisi James Ongwae buna ngonyara kokora e factory yemesinse mu kiri kya Nyangweta inerobono engana boigo Professor Mungeli aberekago sigate na gusingereria asabeta kumubolia omugavana be county ya Kisii kone kinango nyarare go ikirania mange alibono omugavana olenga bisi atabete kago ikirania gati ya yanda mange okugania kwa bako kolekana sobo cholia na bange batakagerete ya sebunge ya Bonchari sebono Charles Onchoke abagako bomo bunge bwensemeyo nigono nere aikiranite ya sensemeri tukuli gorotiango toigwe enkwane yaye omubungo Bonchari Charles Onchoke ekiabeto gokwana elibon toma gosiko gochia asensemeri toma ko igwa bunge ba UD ngi ba kwanti kontranda nsemo ya bunge ba UD bekenda somo omoyegojo tengo tu enkona ya Charles Onchoke kurwa Bonchari.
Governor Simbarati, Excellency the First Lady, outgoing Governor, Your Excellency Deputy Governor and your family, distinguished guests, abantu babindu ya mwenzi. My name is Dr. Manduku, Member of Parliament, Yaribari Masawa. Your Excellency Simbarati counts on our support, and we pray to God for providence, good health, so that you can make Kisii a great county. Lastly, Your Excellency, these people elected you, and we are asking you, you shall be our spokesman on all matters political. We don't want to hear anyone out there speaking for Kisii except Simbarati.
Honorable Barongo,
Muchumulikire bono na rayo tigango turigeriango abajumbe nekurwa sensemeri ya UDA abo igoba ikeranete asomo yego tochakire no mubunge Zaidi Chanda oyibono mbunge semo Kenya libali chache iga ate betebuna nonye andake bare emerange mngao ya gesiasa niko bonate betema chikubwatana na Paul Simbarati aso oko ikirania magendero anene ime ye county ya Kisii tengo tuwe nkwana yaye omubunge onyaribali chache Zaidi Chanda.
Thank you so much, Senator, Your Excellency, our incoming Governor, Mheshimiwa Paul Simbarati, First Lady, Mrs. Sarati, the outgoing Governor, Your Excellency, Dr. James Ongwae, and the First Lady, Mrs. Ongwae, all protocols observed. Mimi kwa majina ninaitwa Mheshimiwa
Zahir Chanda. Mimi ndio mbunge wa hapa Nyaribari Chache. Sina mengi ya kusema kwa sababu ya muda. Your Excellency, Bwana Governor, songa kidogo, nataka kuona Governor kidogo nimueleze. Your Excellency, Bwana Governor, I want to assure you of our commitment and unwavering support despite our political affiliation. Sisi tuko kwa ile mrengo ingine ya UDA, but I can assure you tutasimama na wewe, na ndio maana sisi kama wabunge tumekuja hapa, tuko nyuma yako na tutakusupport. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Asanteni sana.
Asante sana.
Na Chigokicho omubunge of South Mogirango Silvanus Yosoro nere asobwagare ni gavete kagote babuna ere nabwato kwegena anasensemo ya siasa nabetega kumurekera asa amuboliti mu governor we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati kwane kibunango ikiranira mango korosyo wechibara mariogo gatie bintu binde binge Osoro boigo ni gamotebeti aratyo nyata kuchikirania mange ase miake yetana irwe omwaka o 2027 Osoro waniganya ataka komotebia rati buno mwaka 2027 Osoro na chukumurusia sekerogo asosorate betena chikobe governor aso mwaka 2027 onya rati tawikirania manga se miake 5 ejubono acha kirebe na sobo korre bwaye chingaki chosoro asenseme yubo igoni gabe geta sobwasiore na koboria arati okolegas na William Ruto na komuitabira na komubwatsi na komoko boko asikiriyo sorate betebuna ne kigambero baganya tase kolende osora akebe geta sobwasiore buna Ruto nero chigotigara koba omorai bwense ya Kenya ase miaka 5 iribosio ase boigo sora nyarete kagote abuna ere buno mubwatani omonene omuchifu wipuko ase ebunge na chikone kinanko mubwatani yale Simbarati no morai bwense William Samuel Ruto eri manya okora gasi ya sobwamo enonye twarochiri ogiri kabe kwa gari yake kerobono yaro kanto soro atebete buna William Ruto nero gotigara ko bumurai bwense abantu baro kanto gwakiri ogimona sobwa gare baro kanto kwimurunganya ase kolendo soro atebete banje tibanja Ruto no gotigara ko ba omurai bwense asoba igamo boleti arati go itabira na Ruto buno omurai bwense nako bwata na sensemeli ya siasa na gokolemere mamo.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Kisii County, Your Excellency Paul Simbarati, Your Excellency the First Lady, Your Excellency James Omariba, our outgoing Governor, na viongozi wote ambao wamekuja hapa. Hamjambo. Your Excellency, for me, this is a dream come true because it's a dream that was born out of a committee meeting that I served with you in the Committee on Implementation when we were doing a bit of some report about the Nairobi County on some projects that were implicated by the national government and the county government. And then you mentioned to me that you want to be governor of Kisii County. And I did told you that it's about time that we have a generational change in Kisii area. It is now true that today we are having a generational change in Kisii County. We're having one of the youngest governors in Kenya. We have formed history as a country for having elected a person who, of course, came directly from Nairobi politics and vied for the first time in Kisii County and won. And you know, you've done so many votes across the country, devoid of the political affiliations. People voted for you, you know, unanimously. You got about 200 and something, 280,000 votes. To me, my call upon you is that to whom much is given, much is expected. People have come here because of hope. All the multitudes that you see here are about hope. They want to see change in Kisii. They want to see things flowing. They want to see you doing things extraordinary. They want to see bursaries. They want to see roads. They want to see employment opportunities. Actual employment opportunities, visible ones. And once you do that, trust me, in 2027, you'll have no competition. But if you don't do that, 2027, I'll compete with you, and I need you to don't do that. Your Excellency, I also call upon you that even as you pursue your 5-year goal and dream, kindly, Your Excellency, please work with the national government. Regardless of the court's outcome, if it happens that the court will rule that William Ruto is the president, swear allegiance to William Ruto and help the people of Kisii County. If it goes otherwise, go to that other side. But if it goes to William Ruto, you must support William Ruto so that we proceed together. And me, as the chief whip of the National Assembly, I'll make sure I connect you there so that we progress together. William Ruto is the president. I must accept that. Thank you very much. God bless you. William Ruto, your rise. Asante sana.
Mheshimiwa Bono huyu no mubungo South Mugrango Stephen Siosoro ragote na umura William Ruto na rochikoba umure wense na boigate banache abwata ni William Ruto na Simba Arati sorachiko ndo mutumuko mwancho muligereria omusento bwe county ya Kisii mumunyonga ninkiabeteka ukwana torora nkwana yaya so wenge tumakogenda omutumuko
ulinitoshelesha nikakuelewa na tukaamua tuanze safari. Kabla sijasema mawili, ningependa kutoa asante zangu kwa mama yangu mzazi, Mama Triza ambaye yuko hapa. My mother is around here, the most incredible woman. She's here. Stand up, Mom. They want to see you. She's a bit old and unwell. Mama Triza, she's there. I want to also thank my wife Beatrice, who's here. I want to thank Honorable Simba's wife, Madam May, the most amazing person I've ever worked with in politics. She was meticulous, intelligent, and she made sure we stayed together. I want to thank Governor James Ongwae. Yasaye wuli, ayeno mosaja kumosaja. I want to thank the people of Kitutu Church who have elected me for so many years. I am shocked that I am now going to be serving 20 years in Parliament, and I don't know how to thank you. Abagusimwesi chikura mwatu akerete abanyali bali muyamono abanjali muyamono ababasi muyamono abamachoge muyamono abagetutu bamintenda yenjogu mulende utwa kama endegina iborwe omwana oyo inganabwateri iyanda lyogo chenjusi omosabere momolende momobwate nokoboko esabali togo chindero ya chaka mopanga tole kuna togo chikolili kaliakemene mwepange omokusio mingo. Your Excellency Governor Simba Arati, I would now want to ask you, before I forget, Omongi Nadonya, thank you, Baba. You are the most wonderful person that I could have wished to have been in the team with. With us, Your Excellency, there is a lady who's been nominated by UDA. She's going to be in the Senate. Her name is Gloria Oroba, and she is #1 on the Senate for Jubilee. It's good to recognize her. Without saying much, I'll hand back to His Excellency James Ongwae, who will then call Governor Simba. Thank you.
Mwanchu muligere bono hayunga tialia beteka okoleka na segeti kelekia Gose Stadium wego hase entude kubwati bonti okumanya mange kurase county ya Nyamira kolendo mwanchu muligere bo inkwira na nturaligeriria ali yakoleka na tegoro yeka isiko ye county ya Kisii elituraba to kumulekera mange gatika tokando mutumoko moko mwanchu muligeriria na mange to kwaliganete somurore weli saseri zukolia lero gobono to sukagendera go tubwati gwetera nsemeli mtandao nsemu ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na bigensemeli ya YouTube na bogotnyora buna Ndizi TV News toska Reto gusanga muna nyora mache kwira nanda segekegeke kiribosio.
Uniforms and Sports Center nigo bakorosia na kwaunia chianga guna chi t-shirt chia round neck collar t-shirt chi sweater chi shati chimekoni nienge ni chimekoni mitambe ebitamba byukwarwa burere ne byogutubu muito chi track suit chi pajama chokorarira imipira y'inkoyo neria ya netball chi socks chi jasi chi tai chi sukuru ao naboigo ngokora bari embroidery korosya bari chisweta naboigo kubeka amaliko asichianga gose labeling nigo bagutoka asamagacho abaraka building imeyumu chukisi ejuere angine supermarket ya Shivling gosomwa kiresi mirut asenamba enoti sano ibere noti isato kianda isano isato isano nemo enoti Peak Uniforms and Sports Center edukeyemo asoko nyora chi uniforms chonzi nebintu byugo kolera chigosori College ya Tenacious Harbor niyo igore timirango yaye guchia sebari batagite kwegera ububweni ya bugo tumika imetegeke gusi aburukigwa bali yabubwate alama yedi nabo bagosomera emere mubuna certificate in herbal medicine, certificate in nutrition and dietetics, certificate in physiotherapy nabo igo certificate in ICT asebari yabubwate alama ye C- niko bagosomera a diploma in herbal medicine, diploma in nutrition and dietetics, diploma in physiotherapy and diploma in ICT. Boyo nkosomya bale chi packages cha computer, web design, video production na short courses. Oyuko manyamange kubwatikana nobukoreri bwabo batarire imuyumu chokisi asamagacho a Twins Towers rirongo lya kabire gusoba kirisime asenamba enotibere isate enoti sano na ibere naboko barikira liuko ase email yabo ya info@tenaciousherbalcollege.co.ke Facebook nigo kubanyora buna Tenacious Herbal College college ya Tenacious Herbal nigere certified na ISO Enyagitari ya Tenacious Herbal Center nigo bakurwalia gutumika maryogo yemete amarwiri buna asthma, arthritis gusuko bimba kwa maboko namagoro, fibroids, diabetes gusuko burwiri bw'isukari, cancer chonsi, libido obuboro burwiri bw'ikinguru cy'abasacha, high blood pressure gukeyo burito bw'umubiri, amarwiri yerisangwa, chi allergy, gastritis, fistula, bronchitis, epilepsy, ulcers, insomnia na yanda mange.
Kimashini cheito gochigo kurigere Duto koereza bunurwarite wata tebina igabu na boti bikorara gabu ngoigunda bobe igabu gentu gete ngokorekana kiri ekaro twanyorre twakorire tokonyora umurwiro oyo atakire gukora massage ntubwate bitanda bya massage ntubwate abanyagitari bakora massage
Naboku mwakiresimi omudirector w'indigitali yo Dr. Joel Umayo asenamba enoti sano na ibere isano nemo kianda ibere inya isano gosomurikere email gochia info@tenaciousherbal.co.ke Wego naboku batalira asensemo ya kisi yogo asebara ikogenda Nyamira enyumba ya uraiti Tenacious Herbal Center ububweni oregene kubwatikana nobonye bwito bwige kigetambe asensemo y'ebintu by'ogutumika istima nigo yaene kigubuna nigo kubinyora imiyedukeyemo ya Light Tower aserigurianse nasobwamo nigo tubwate chitayabuna colored lead light ebirobu bya fluorescent fittings snake lights chandelier lights downlighter security lights na motion sensor lights boigo tubwate assorted garden lights conduits fitting sockets industrial sockets na insulator switches neji socket chechingencho chonsi boigo tubwate chi ceiling fitting chi cable au meter boxes switch boxes, chief fuse, circuit breaker, conductors, earth rods, consumer boards, power extensions, fridge guards, showers na lamp holders. Boigo ngo supply bare Nyamira, Migori, Kilgoris, Homa Bay, Kisii, nechize muchita naine. na bugu tutarira ime yomo chokisi asamagacho a old Sansora building angenegete sini kanene gechigari gosio to akirisimi ase namba enoti sano na ibere yemo inyemara kabire enoti sano nemo gose enoti sano na ibere inye noti isano nemo isano nesato enoti eyemo isato. Light Tower, your one-stop shop for lighting and electrical fitting. Wima Electricals and Electronics. Nabaoni ya bebinto byoko igo kistima. Na electronics chogo tumika nyumba. Buna chi TV set, chi decoder, chi hoover, chi birika chuko belia mache. DVD players, chi machine chuko gingira. Ebirobu biestima bichi aina ao. Power extensions, showers, consumer units, solar panels, inverters, industrial sockets, switch boxes, cooker sockets, circuit breakers, chibasi chokobasi richianga, chi insulator switches, chi tester chistima, chi meter boxes, nebinge. Nigobare imeyomo chokisi, asinyomba ya Guzi Plaza, a room number G2. Naboko bakiresimi ase namba enoti sano na ibere eyemo isano enoti marakabere kianda isano na isato ibere isano na ibere gose enoti isano na ibere eyemo isano na isato isano nemo enoti isano na ibere inye isano nemo ibere. Wima Electricals and Electronics, the best electricals in town. Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omuguzi.
Munchumulikire nende bono niko twiranira sintunde ya kabira sumuru libweli sirite kiratogande to kwana na kumulekera mange aliabereka okolekana naye boigo aliagande to kolekana chinsemo au imene siko yorgongo rwa Hussein dobere to kuligire meye county ya Kisii na aliabeteka okolekana ndarachi kukira se county ya Nyamiru munchumulikire litangani tiganda kumanyango isiko yorongo rwa Hussein na kiamangana abereka okolekana na aliabereka okolekana boigo na aliagande go kolekana kiritangani to kuligire ya omubunge okiharu yo kutoka meye county ya Murang'a Ndindi Nyoro oyero mubungo Kiaru kurwase county ya Murang'a.
Mimi nikiwa hapa General Ihura Stadium, nataka niambie wapinzani wetu wale walikuwa na shidana na William Ruto, tuliwapea nafasi mukatumia all the government instruments na bado hawa wanabea ati kura yao ilipotea. Kwani hapa Murang'a tulipiga kura ambayo iko na miguu? Kura ilipotea ikaenda aje bila miguu? Wawache kutuhada. And I want to address our president with all due respect. Mr. President sir, mimi kama mbunge wa Kiharu nimekuwa nikikushauri kama mtu anakuja mashinani. Huyu Kang'ata akakuandikia barua. Badala utusikize ukaturusha nje. Mr. President, I want to beseech you today. Kwa sababu wale wako karibu na wewe hawatakwambia ukweli. Hawa watu wa Mount Kenya, they overwhelmingly voted for William Samoei Ruto. Na hakuna kura iliibiwa. Mr. President, please, we know as the people of Kenya that the case at the Supreme Court is not the case for huyo Tinga ama hawa watu wengine. Mr. President, this is your case. You are the one who have taken us to the Supreme Court. Mr. President, here in Kiharu yesterday, there was a DCC holding a meeting with Azimio fellows trying to collect evidence. You must stop misusing public time with nonsense. Hawa wananchi wa Kenya sio wajinga. Walienda wakapiga kura wakijua kile wanafanya. Na musione tumenyamaza mufikiria sisi ni waoga. Wasione tumenyamaza Wafikiria hao wafuasi wa William Ruto hawana akili. Tuko na akili. Ni vile tunapenda Kenya yetu.
Mwichumulikire bono ino mubunge Okiharu Ndindi Nyoro oyubona gote abunanda ke ekina kebekira seke gamburgia Supreme tali na niko gesegetire na Raila Odinga kolengana Ndindi Nyoro ni gatibire kine kyo niko gesegetire no murai wense omuske Uhuru Kenyatta kira tokotikira wigasa mangana ringita mangana siasa omukonyo ye William Samuel Ruto Rigathi Gachagua ngare niga kwanira mangana yogoto kauna chikuranchi abete chiko ibwa nigo asenkwana ya etwara bono nigage amochecherie mono kendege komyo murewe kama kya ODM Raila Odinga Gachagua nigo anyareka kubolia Raila Odinga buna sama tukamaega obereka gote ya buna oberega koiberwa chikura ne serikali ya sama tukamaega asikolende bono Rigathi Gachagua anyarega kuboli Raila onya serikali yaberege kumubere chikura sama tukamaega boni gakale serikali ningona ndo muberete chikura tengo nkwana yaye Rigathi Gachagua.
Sasa alikuwa anasema sava ifunguliwe, wamefungua poto iko pale, akali analalamika, anasema ati alikuwa anaibiwa na serikali na system na deep state. Sasa ako ndani ya serikali, ameibiwa na nani? Ameibiwa na nani? Si alikuwa na machifu na DCI na EACC na kila mtu na Matiang'i na Kebicho na Uhuru, ameibiwa na nani? Nani ameibia uchaguzi? Si ni kutusumbua? Lakini wacha niseme nikiwa hapa Nyeri. Wewe kitendawili sikia. Sikia. Mimi naongea nikiwa hapa Nyeri. The land of freedom fighters. The land of Dedan Kimathi Washuri. The land of Stanley Miroge Karaoke. The land of Professor Wangari Maathai. The land of Mwai Kibaki. I want to tell you, ukishindwa kotini usilete maandamano. Usilete watu kufunja mali ya Wakenya. Ukikushindwa kotini usiende kujiapisha. Ukishindwa kotini usijaribu kuuliza sisi mambo ya handshake, hatutakubali. Tumemwambia wewe mzee kuzimia, tukikushinda kotini uelekee Bondo. Tumekubaliana? Na kama uko na shida ya kwenda Bondo, tutavuka wheelbarrow moja tukuweke uende mpaka Bondo. Finally, ya mwisho, apishwa ya Rais William Ruto ikitangazwa, tutapanga na governor na viongozi na mimi, tutatoa mabasi ya kutosha. Tutatoa mabasi ya kutosha. Kila ward itakuwa na mabasi. Nemoka. Kura 47% serikali ya William Ruto sije wametengeneza. Nataka kutoa hakikisho ya kwamba watu ya Mount Kenya watakuwa kwa serikali ya Ruto ndani kwa sababu ni serikali yetu. Na akishaapishwa tumekubaliana tutakuwa na mkutano ambaye inaitwa Sagana 1 kuongea mambo ya maendeleo ya Mlima Kenya. Kwa hivyo pale Sagana tutakuwa na Sagana 1. Viongozi 10,000 kutoka Mount Kenya region na rais mpya wa Kenya tuongee maendeleo ya Mount Kenya.
Mwichumulikire wono gotigana nase ngani yo tigango tumulikire county ya Mombasa. Nyirobone county ya Mombasa na bugone county eri ya Kakamega. Obocholi ni gobora kuri tukile Jumatatu tariki 29 obono botakole twasekero kuri kyo governor asemunyakero we kyombe kyo bocholi ne chime IBC wa Flache Bukati abagakora libwango igobono bocholi umbochi okolekana lituko lya Jumatatu no ina boimeye county ya Mombasa torera bange bakwe murungania nganene oliyo kuri kero kyo governor wetrase kya makia ODM omanyikaza buna Abdul Swamad Nasir ni gate birubuna obocholi mbya boche bokoleke kolende maiga yobocholi koera nigo Abdul Swamad Nasir atebiru na mbachi ko itona so wimana kumenya na seki obocholi bwatuniti kwa county chibere county ya Mombasa na bwe county ya Kakamega lichangana kige matiango turanyora enkwana yaye omo governor so yokuri kirokyo bo governor ase county ya Mombasa wetrase kya makelekia ODM Abdul Swamad Nasir.
Kobies karibu Jacob. Duncan Kagalo. Asante Duncan. tuko na Mheshimiwa Chialo pia yuko hapa. Ma-MCA nadhani washatambuliwa. Tuna ndugu zetu wale walisimama pia kwa upande wa MCA, ni wengi sana popote wale walipo. Baba, tuko na dada yetu Hanifa pia ni MCA kutoka Kwale, amekuja paka hapa. Baba, pengine tu kabla sijaanza kuzungumza, sisi tumebarikiwa. Kuna wale walikuwa wanaitwa aspirants, wale wapigania kuweza kupata tikiti ya ODM na tikiti ya vyama vingine. Wapo hapa pia vile vile. Pengine muinuke na mnyoshe mkono, ma-aspirants wote wainushe mikono. Hawa walikuwa ni aspirants, wale walivai na hawakuyumba yumba, bado tuko nao. Kisha pia vile vile tuna wale candidates independent na tuna candidates pia wa Azimio. Pia tuko nao hapa hapa kwa upande wa MCA, sio? Sasa tusipoeleza hadithi yetu, wana Mombasa, hadithi yetu itaelezwa na wale ambao kwamba ni magaidi. Tusipoelezea yalivyokuwa, watashika mikrofoni na kuzungumza wengine. Tusipoweza kunguruma na kukohoa, watainuka na wengine waanze kuwa na kichefuchefu. Yale yaliweza kujiri tarehe 8, tulikuwa tuko tayari kuweza kupiga kura. Nataka munielewe kwa makini, na yoyote aliye na ushahidi kando na haya aweze kuzungumza ya kuwa maneno ya Abdulswamad Sharif Nassir yalikuwa ni uongo. Saa 10 kesho tunaamkia kura, tunaambiwa na vyombo vya habari kura za Mombasa na Kakamega zimeweza kuahirishwa. Wenzetu walikuwa wanazungumza na vyombo vya habari kabla IEBC wenyewe hawajatangaza ya kwa kutakuwa na kura zitaweza kuahirishwa. Swali, ikiwa hawazungumzi kwa lugha moja, wenzetu walijua vipi wakawa wanaanza kuyazungumza mambo haya kabla IEBC wenyewe hawajaanza kutangaza ya kwa kura zitakuwa na mabadiliko ya Kakamega na maeneo ya Mombasa? Angalieni, Wakenya waweze kufungua macho. Hii kubadilishwa kura Mombasa na Kakamega was a well calculated move, and it was not an error. It was a well calculated move, it was not an error. And mind you, baada ya uchaguzi tarehe 29, baada ya Supreme Court ruling, we will revisit this matter. Tutayarejelea tena. We deserve answers. Kwa nini watu wa Mombasa na wa Kakamega waliweza kudhalilishwa namna hii? We will revisit this matter. Hayamaliziki katika kura peke yake. Sababu kuu kwa nini Mombasa na Kakamega ni kwa sababu maeneo haya yalikuwa wazi ni maeneo ya Azimio, ni maeneo ya baba Raila Amolo Odinga. The whole idea was to create voter apathy, kuchemsha damu ya watu wasiweze kutoka kupiga kura. Tofauti ya kura licha ya kuwa wameiba, tofauti ya kura ya baada ya kuiba kwao, lao kura zingelikuwa zimepigwa katika Mombasa na Kakamega, today we will be talking about a whole different narrative. Kisha baada ya hapo, mkitaka kujua, tukakaa na tukaweza kujitayarisha tarehe 23 bila ya kuweza kutuhusisha wala jambo lolote. IBC wakashika mikrofoni na wakaanza kutangaza tena ya kuwa tunairisha indefinitely. Nia na njama yao ilikuwa ni hizi election, kwa fikra zao wanadhani ya kuwa wataweza kununua Supreme Court ili kura zikiwa zinapigwa Mombasa na Kakamega waweze kuwa na yule wao ati awe ni rais. Kuna Mungu jamani. There is an almighty God. Tulienda mahakama, vijana watatu wadogo kutoka Mombasa waliniambia, Abdulswamad Sharif Nassir, stay out of these court battles. We will go on court to court on behalf of Kenyans. Baada kuwa served with papers, IBC mbio waliitisha mkutano. Baada kuitisha mkutano, Francis Soya alienda kwa niaba ya Mombasa. Akifika pale, kuna wengine vijidudu mtu wanasema ya kwa tunaomba kura isiwe tarehe 29, kura isongezwe mbele mpaka Septemba huko. Sisi msimamo wetu ulikuwa tuko tayari, hata kama muna nguvu kurewind iregee tena tarehe iwe ni tarehe 8, tuko tayari. Mukatuambia kura ziwe kesho, tuko tayari kura ziweze kupigwa kesho. Mutachelewesha, lakini kuzuia hamuwezi kuzuia, my friend. Sasa mimi nauliza, Kakamega katika viti 13, 11 vilienda kwa ODM. Hiyo eneo ni la Azimio ama si la Azimio? Tuje hapa Mombasa, Masimba, vijana wadogo ma MCA hawa, wale wenye kujaribu kushindana na sisi, maeneo yao wao wenyewe, ma MCA wetu walipata kura zaidi. Out of 30 MCAs katika Mombasa, 26 are affiliated to Azimio, to Raila Amolo Odinga, to Abdulswamad Sharif Nassir. Katika wajumbe 6, 5 wote wako hapa mbele yetu, mumesikia sauti zao. Women rep tuko naye sisi, senator tuko naye sisi. Kando na hao, hata wale ambao walikuwa wanashindana, walotokea namba 2 katika Azimio, katika Independent, pia tunao sisi. Please tell me the scientific method you will use to try and win these elections in Kakamega and Mombasa. Njia watakaojaribu kuitumia. And this is why nawaomba na nawasihi watu wote tuwe macho na tuwe ngangare, my friend. Mimi kama Abdulswamad Sharif Nassir, wakijaribu kuleta nyef na wakijaribu kuiba kura, siku hiyo ndo mtajua mimi Abdulswamad Sharif Nassir, mimi hii ngoma nilizaliwa ndani yake. Papa akizaliwa hafunzwi kuoga, my friend. Kila njia munaojaribu tuko ngangare na nyinyi. Siku hiyo ndo mtajua ya kwa mamangu anaitwa Mama Nasimu na mimi si mwandazimu. Jaribuni kufanya yale mulijaribu kuyafanya. Tena mimi nimebarikiwa, niko na majeshi ya kutosha. Niko na majeshi wa kutosha. Wewe leta wale utakaowaleta. Walete wale watakaojaribu kukuongezea kura za kompyuta. Sisi kila ukijaribu hivi na hivi, safari hii mulijaribu kuhakikisha ile mchezo wa dakika 90 mukatupatia red card. Ile mchezo mwingine wa penalty mukajaribu kutupatia red card. Safari hii tuwafunga na kisigino, my friend. We are ready, we are prepared, and we will be able to overcome. We will overcome. Mimi nawaomba watu wa Mombasa, nawaomba, Hii sauti ya Abdulswamad Sharif Nassir, panapo majaliwa, for the next 5 years and another 5 years to come, this will be the voice of the People's Project, Abdulswamad Sharif Nassir. Mumenitusi na mumenikejeli maneno yote.
Munchumuligire bono oyo no yokuriye kirego kyobo governor gwetera seke makalikia ODM imeye county ya Mombasa ekero bono agendera tote bune gobero beriti bwe kiranu na boigo mbagari kuchikomanya ogochiasi amatuka bosio nasekin obochoja se county ya Mombasa na Kakamega bwabete bogusikwa skolene ya kireko kona gotebuna county ya Mombasa na county ya Kakamega nigere ensemo ya ime yazmio 1 Kenya na boigo mbali no kubabuna azmio nechikora chi county ya Chibere county ya Mombasa abego ne county ya Kakamega lichikore korobo igumo chumuligere korobono ogotiane ukoba governor 45 kwa beto kokolekana se chinsemo ao na chika okumenya bulitanga ninkomanya kurwa se county ya Nyamira sebono twaro chomo governor we county ya Nyamira sentundende bono Amos Nyaribo amono mokonyo James Ndicho gesamijo kabira singa kemo mubungo West Mugrango babeta bagotiane walichukuligoro na kulira yogote abuna mbachi koba kolera abamenyi be county ya Nyamira amange nabo igomba chikurwa obokoleri bwabo asenchire bwanete asagati yabarebe kereneta sense mejo batebete bunamba chikubwata na sobwamo na gokora mirimo asenchire jobo ime likonyara gokinie county area ya Nyamira
chikuru mwangere ne china njenkoba homosombo ino creation of new jobs annually to facilitate our farmers and entrepreneurs to maximize the benefits from the industrial park. My government will promote financial inclusion through establishment of financial schemes and circles.
Thank the great people of Nyamira for electing us, Your Excellency, and promise that we shall serve them to the best of our abilities.
Governor, pongezi na tunakuombea Mwenyezi Mungu awe nawe akuongoze.
Hujue ya kwamba leo yale yote ambao watu walikuwa wanangojea wataanza leo kukuuliza.
We were elected the same day by the same voters who are seated here today. Kwa hivyo ndugu yangu Amos, Daktari Gesami, tunaombea mema.
And on behalf of the people of West Mugrango, I want to thank you, Your Excellency Governor, for picking a deputy governor.
Kutigana na yubono kwikase county ya Nairobi omugavana omochore obakago chura se county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja oyubono kabiro mosenete bwe county yu bene nigabete kagotiani gwanere lichukulia igoro abwa sabete kakulira gotebona chukubekerania mange abamenyi bense meyo chingaki chini go mokonyu murebwenso yubono omorai bwenso mochore William Samuel Ruto habeten kawekerano gwa sogotiani go kwayo omugavana bwe county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja Ruto kokwana kurwa sense meyo boigo nigo atebete buna ere nachikose nachikurwa obokonyo kuraseme ya serikali kwa nekibune county ya Nairobi ngonyarere gosuka bosio gochia sekere ngokende boigo Ruto na techi county chonsi ase ekinakere bosio gekona chwa ere atigare koba omre wense nachikone kibune chi county nchiba chikonyara chibese chia wasenchira yobwango asokonyara goikirania amagendero ase chi county ao.
You will have the undivided support of the government of Kenya as you discharge your responsibilities in your counties. I know, having been chair of the Intergovernmental Budget and Economic Council, that we have had challenges on matters to do with release of shareable revenue on time. I want to commit to all our governors that the government of Kenya going forward will make it possible that the shareable revenue will be released in time and in accordance with the law and the constitution so that we can better manage our counties and make it possible for you to deliver on your mandate and the commitments you have made to the constituents in your counties. Let me also say that we are going to work with you on making sure that counties build the capacity to raise resources on their own source of revenue channel to make it possible for additional resources from the shareable revenue, from own sources of revenue, so that you can better deliver on services and on the mandate that you have been appropriated to by the Constitution in your counties. I also want to commit that we will work hard. I have already discussed with the Kenya Revenue Authority on how to raise revenue, and I commit that we will work together with you so that Kenya can live within its means, and there will be no tall men or big girls, that the rule of law is going to equalize every Kenyan so that each one of us can pay their taxes. There will be no exemptions on anybody on account of paying taxes. I want to commit that going into the future, the rule of law will be the benchmark that all of us, irrespective of who we are, will be expected to live by the rule of law. I want to commit to all my friends in leadership that we are going to work together to make Kenya a country of opportunity, that every citizen of the Republic of Kenya working hard will access opportunity without the necessity of having any connection. As we go into the future, and especially in the city of Nairobi, you know, my brother Johnson, that you are a miracle candidate, that your election to the city governor of Nairobi is indeed a miracle. And it wouldn't have happened without God. And I want to appreciate that you have understood and underscored the place of faith and God in your election as the governor of the city of Nairobi. I want to tell you, my friend and brother, that we will work with you. We have confidence in you. We are proud of you. And we know the great city of Nairobi has the best that it can get in terms of governor. I also will be available to consult. You know the commitments we already made to the people of Nairobi with respect to market infrastructure, the commitments we have made in matters collection and management of garbage. You know the commitments we have made in matters to do with transport infrastructure for the great city of Nairobi. And you know, my brother, the commitments we have made in making sure that every hustle will count in the great city of Nairobi. I will be on hand to support you. And finally, you and me have already discussed on making the rivers of Nairobi places of opportunity, enterprise, and business, as opposed to what it is today, a place of filth, and raw sewage. You and me have discussed on the Nairobi Rivers Commission. I will be looking forward to consultation so that we can set it up and begin to truly make this great city a city of dignity, in your own words, and a city of opportunity. To all my fellow citizens of the Republic of Kenya, I want to urge us, as we go into the future, you have spoken to us loudly. And I want to ask all the leaders of the Republic of Kenya to listen to the loud message that is coming from the citizens of our country. The citizens of our country are speaking to us loudly that they want their politics to be non-tribal and they want their politics to be peaceful.
Kutikana na yumo nchumuli wante otorege nkwana yaye Raila Odinga andake oyubono nero bereka gutuguterare manifesto ya Kenya Kwanza kerono atebire buna andake ni gobono Kenya Kwanza yabagiye kuboneriria andake egenta atebire agetachikirana no mu buri bwa Kenya Kwanza nyurani gago cha matukamake maiga ya Raila Odinga kunyara kwamereria obochori bo mwako yoiga maiga yokaseka mberkiya Supreme Court nyurono kuna chokuni bokoganyire iniga ensema ya Supreme Court ya bwata matuko 18 igobono gikastari kisano cyumutinyo yogandira bili tukolyo mori yelikwane kibuna ekigambiro kali ya Supreme Court kyabereke gotegerana na kuruko na cha kwabo na Raila Amolo Odinga oyubono olumwameri mekagima asekero kali kyobore wense asomo bwazimio inseye kyama kya ODM ni gobono atuguteirale manifesto area ya Kenya Kwanza na otebuna obukurumi ni gobwene kiwasensembeli ya Kenya Kwanza tiango tuwe nkwana yaye Raila Amolo Odinga.
Unaona mwingine anasema huku leo atio sisi tutaona vile tutaweza kupunguza gharama ili tuweze kutoa huduma kwa wananchi na kadhalika. Nasema hapana. Shida ya Kenya sio mambo ya gharama. Shida ya Kenya ni mambo ya ufisadi. Kwa kimombo unaweza kusema the elephant in the room is not a expenditure per se or cutting down expenditure. It's about dealing with the dragon that is called corruption. Ugatuzi ndio shida ya Kenya. Wewe mwenyewe mfisadi umejulikana, unaiba mpaka unaiba kura uchaguzi, umeshindwa na wewe unaiba. Sasa wewe unaanza kuongoza namna gani? Wewe ni shetani, ende nyumbani. Sisi pili, jana niliongea Mombasa na hao waandishi wa habari wakaenda kupindua mambo nilisema. Mimi sijatisha mahakama. Nilisema tu yale ambayo tumeomba katika petition yetu. Kama tunataka mahakama ikiona ukweli ambayo tutaonyesha ya kwamba tulishinda, ikubali kututeua sisi kama sisi ndio washindi. Sijaongea juu ya mambo mengine juu ya hiyo kesi yetu. Manake mimi mwenyewe najua sana, mimi mstarabu. Siwezi kuongea juu ya kesi ambayo iko mbele mahakama. Hapana. Lakini mimi naweza kufanya kama tu kusema yale ambayo tumepeleka mbele ya mahakama, ushahidi ambao tumetoa. Pekee yake. Mimi sijaongea juu ya kesi ambayo iko kule.
Na boigo hekiombe kelegia DPP inse ya yeno duni aji litukuli goroboigo gokwana kurwa ase county ya Garissa ekirawono mugavana mochole we county yu aregotianigwa niko bono batebire mbachiko ene kibuno bokuni babere bokoroka sebo kurumi babere bokorekana ase county yombo chikonyara komulekerwa sobo ime ase boigo atebete buna mbachiko ene kuna chiwe siri cyabere cyo gutumeka senchele tali ndonge anana ase county ya Garissa samba chiko mkiege tambokiro na kwane kuchiba sirichi abere chikobra kwere muchirogo chia somwana nchi kawaida elia nyarago konyeka ananase county ya Garissa.
Wale ambao wameiba rasilimali ya Garissa ninawaambia lazima mtarudisha hiyo pesa. Hiyo pesa mmeiba ni haki ya Garissa. Na kama gavana hata wafuata, mimi nitawafuata. na mtarudisha hiyo pesa. Na mimi ninawapatia notice. Hiyo audit itakayofanywa, wale walioiba warudishe pesa mapema. Na kama hawatarudisha mali ya watu ya Garissa, wajue kwamba sisi tutawafuata na tutafuata sheria, hiyo pesa irudishwe. Haiwezekani ya kwamba milioni 400 ya wafanyikazi ya Garissa ya county haiko kwa KRA imechukuliwa. Na NSSF na mambo ya NHIF pesa zimevujwa. Hiyo hatutakubali. Na gavana ujue, wewe usifanye, mimi nitafanya. Na pesa yetu lazima itarudi. Na hiyo sio mambo ya ukabila. Hizo pesa zilizoibwa ni pesa yetu sisi, ya Audhat, ya Samuwadhal, ya Sinwak, ya Aulian, ya Ausha. Ni pesa yetu sisi sote ambayo imeibwa. Lazima itarudishwa. Na mimi ni hiyo ndio kwa ajili nimekuja hapa. Na pesa ambazo pia za Kenya ambazo zimeibwa, basi watu wakuwe tayari kuzirudisha kwa raundi yoyote ambaye atakuwa rais. Kwa hayo machache, mimi nataka kumwambia pia governor, umepewa hiyo fursa ya pili, uitumie vizuri kutumikia watu ya Garissa.
Munchumulike nyoni kwa kanito tubwati ya gweterense mweheli ya Facebook, mtandao ne radio Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, na bwegensemeli ya YouTube una Ndizi TV News. Kulinde torasuka gochia sentunde no mwanchumulike ya inyirabo no moteneli ya ase county sobereka gotene county ya Nairobi ya bere inse ya Nairobi Metropolitan Service NMS inse ya ye Johnny Mbadi boni gate bire na chikobwatoka obura yobo gochia asomo governor omochole obwe county ya Nairobi tiango tuwe enkwana yaye magagote abuna bono obura yobo chikoba inse yo mugavana nyirabone county ya Nairobi ni gasa matuka mange yaberekere agekora wa na Nairobi Metropolitan Service awana sawerwa kurobo karibu abo goche sabamenyi be county ya Nairobi.
We will start the process of handing over from next week, and as we wind up as NMS going back to various ministries and some of the staff returning to the county, I would like to personally and on behalf of NMS pledge our support to the governor. We will always be available for you, to work with you to make Nairobi great again. NMS was created for specific mandate, and I'm very happy to report, Your Excellency the Governor, that NMS has accomplished all the tasks given to do within the 2 years. And the extra tasks that we have taken on board, which are ongoing projects, I'll be more than happy to hand over. I know you'll make this great county prosper.
Munchumulikire bono inyora nigo togendete ko kumanyia so wimena so bwangale hali agendete okolekana chinsemo nane kuwakerambia mono aso kogendra gochora Ndizi TV na bwego nimero belionsi eyitu abereto ko kumanyia kurosema mbya lenge ntambe na wikaboni kantogendete ko kumanyia so wimena so bwangale balike baitoni ko bari chinsemo bagendete ko tukana gosaka hali agendete ko kolekana kurubinyoro ime goika ase chinkongo chonsi ime na isiko yoronguru gusi ayubona so bwenge turachiko kumanyia karo cyaragire chinse isano na ibere chia bono mboga sogendra ko tubwati nabo ko murekera togenda to ko bwatokera ane kurwa SMS ito asemero belionse asemu ya mtandao Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na bo igansembeli ya YouTube mwancho muligerya na bo gotena buna Ndizi TV News ya karatora to kubwati sobo ime etuko kumanyia bunka hali yagende to kolekenya buna Ndizi TV gatse nambe yemo asorongori turagusini go twakira seganga yokunyara ko enekya gokumanyitore ali yagwateka buna teke na bo igali yagende to kolekana ase chinse mo chinsko ikirabo tigankore nembiamono na chirumo rubuli bweli sabwa seri tukuliare no tobatoko sanga mange na okwana mange ekerobono mwanchu muligereria tokonyara kumulekera na okwana mange sana ibere cyabono mwasu mwanchu muligereria SMS ya mangana mayabali kwaito magenda to kweroberia mbachi kumanyia mange kolende tumira nensa yemo ya maragoba SMS ya mangana mayeretera n'inchinkruko Vincent Onyancha olitwa bwateranere kurwase chibicha munirioge igakorko Petronira mokera obatenga lyobuja ime ya Ndizi TV.